Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life. Guys, today is hashtag for the Love of Ice Cream collab, which is an open collab hosted by our friends Patti at Life with Patti and Kathy at Kathy's Favorite Things. And today is the day that we can share anything about ice cream that we want. Any project we're making, any thoughts about ice cream, whatever we want. Unfortunately, I won't be eating ice cream today because we just don't have any. We had the kids over at our house for 2 or 3 days and they just ate all of our ice cream, guys. Woe is me, right? So I want to share with you this card that I made. I haven't made a slimline card in a while. So I went on my Cricut and I typed in ice cream under images and I wasn't sure what I was going to make. So I was just looking for some inspiration. And then I saw this. It's just a very simple die cut. And I thought, oh, that would be fun. It looks like some, 3 scoops of ice cream kind of stacked on top of each other. And I could just use my markers and I could just create my own kind of fun ice cream. So I thought that would be fun. So that's what I did. And then I thought, okay, what am I going to do with it? I could make a tag out of it, or what could I do with it? So I thought, oh, I could make a slimline card. It's tall and thin, and I haven't made one in a while, so that's what I did. And so I used these markers that I have. I bought from Amazon. I don't even know if there's what brand name is on them. What does that say? B-I-A-N-Y-O, I guess that says. And so I just use these markers here, and I used my die cut, and I came up with the inside of this card that looks like this. I thought that was kind of fun. I outlined it in black, and I did some drawing on it, and then coloring with the markers, and then the purple, and then this background of pink is actually ink that I just stamped on there, and then I drew the cone out and stamped that as well with ink, and then I die cut that sweet right there, and then just use this pink up here just to fill in that blank spot. And then I added a card right here so I could write a little note, or the recipient can write a little note right there. And then always believe something wonderful is about to happen, because yeah, when you walk into an ice cream shop, something wonderful is about to happen. Whatever that is. And then I had these little fun little pieces here that I got, I think at Hobby Lobby. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got these at Hobby Lobby. So I added some of those on just as some little fun little candy piece decoration. So what is your favorite kind of ice cream? I love strawberry and I love Rocky Road, but I like them together. So when Raleigh and I go to, let's say, Cold Stone, if we're going to go get ice cream, if we take the kids for ice cream or something, or even if we just go buy ice cream, we usually, if we're going to buy 2 gallons of ice cream, we usually get a strawberry, a container of strawberry, a container of Rocky Road, and then we usually get mint chip also, because our granddaughter likes mint chip, and then we also get vanilla, because, vanilla with everything, and you can add chocolate to it or whatever. So when we go to the grocery store, we usually buy Tillamook. That's the brand we like. And if you know Tillamook ice cream, you know it's from Oregon. It's just really creamy, fresh tasting, fresh ingredients, and we just really like it. And when we were living in Texas, you know what I'm going to say. For those of you that live in Texas, you know that Bluebell is the ice cream, and we loved to eat Bluebell when we were there. And here in town, if we're not feeling ice cream, if we're feeling yogurt, we have a place called Yogurt Land. And Yogurt Land is really good. There's 2 or 3 or 4 of them around where we live. Guys, guess what? There's also this place. It's rolled ice cream. It's a place where you can also get boba, frozen yogurt, ice cream. A lot of people go there on date nights because it has fun music playing. And it's kind of trendy. It has pictures on the wall so that you can, get a lot of good selfie pictures in and stuff. And it's called Roly Roly, which is spelled exactly like my husband Raleigh's name. So they all have Raleigh on their shirt when we walk in, which is really funny. So, and so we like to go there as well. That's new. That's only been there for probably about a year or so. Cold Stone is right around the corner from our house. The closest Yogurt Land to us is about 3 or 4 miles. So we don't go there as often. We don't eat ice cream as much as we used to now that we're getting older. So we eat ice cream like maybe once a week or so. We may have some, but we always have ice cream in the freezer because, of course, the grandchildren come over. What is your favorite ice cream? Oh my gosh, leave that down in the description box below. And guys, this was a really fun card to make. I really actually enjoyed creating this and just being creative in this process. And I have this one, and I'm actually going to be cutting out some more of these because I really want to do some more of those. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you, Kathy and Patty, for hosting this hashtag for the love of ice cream. Guys, follow that hashtag. Go and check out the other projects that people are creating and sharing for their take on for the love of ice cream. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.